Assuming you still eat in
We
your
do
quasi... No?
No.
Oh, darn it, I wanted a recipe, but thank you for your time, Bashar.
A recipe for what?
For some food from your civilization.
Well, I can give you something from the past,
Okay, yeah.
when we did eat.
Oh, excellent.
You understand?
Yes, give me a recipe.
All right. You will find, well, of course, we have to use what are similar analogies on your planet, for they are not identical to the substances on ours, though there are some similarities, all right?
Yes.
All right. You will find that if you take the idea of what you call celery, yes?
Yes.
All right. If you will infuse these stalks of celery with the idea of the juice from what you call the beet, you will find thus then, by adding also a small amount of the juice of the orange and allowing this to steep for several hours, you will have a very interesting delicacy.
I will definitely try that out very shortly.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.